In the world of action cameras, one name stands above the rest: DJI. From crafting drones that redefine aerial cinematography to creating gimbals that deliver impossibly smooth shots, DJI has built its empire on one promise: turn every moment into a cinematic masterpiece. But now, something bigger is on the horizon. Whispers, leaks, insider chatter, all pointing to DJI's most ambitious leap forward yet, the Osmo Action 6. And if even half these leaks hold true, this tiny powerhouse might completely rewrite what we thought possible in compact filmmaking. So buckle up, grab your coffee, and let's break down every confirmed detail, every major leak, and every game-changing feature that could make the Osmo Action 6 the new king of action cameras. The game-changing sensor, Hollywood in your pocket, everything starts with the biggest leak of them all, a brand new 1-inch CMOS sensor. That's right, a full 1-inch sensor inside an action cam smaller than your palm. For years, GoPro and DJI have fought over tiny increments of image quality, staying within safe limits. But this time, DJI isn't playing safe. They're swinging for the fences. According to multiple industry insiders, internal supplier notes, and leaks from drone forums, the Osmo Action 6 could finally break the barrier, offering mirrorless-grade visuals in a pocket-sized form factor. What does that mean for creators? Better low-light shots, true cinematic depth, natural color science. Imagine filming golden hour rides through California canyons, or deep sea dives off the coast of Hawaii, and capturing every frame with mirrorless level clarity. This could be the first time an action camera genuinely rivals professional gear. 8K video recording, the next frontier. If the 1-inch sensor wasn't enough, there's more. Sources claim DJI is going all in on 8K video recording. That's right. Not 5.3K, not 6K, full 8K resolution. Even if it's limited to shorter clips or external module setups, it's still groundbreaking. 8K means freedom. Freedom to crop, reframe, zoom, and still keep razor-sharp detail. Paired with DJI's legendary color science, this camera could produce footage that stands toe-to-toe with cinema rigs costing 10 times more. For filmmakers and vloggers alike, this is a huge creative jump. Possibly the biggest innovation in action cameras since the first GoPro Hero hit the market. Smartwatch integration. Control on your wrist now. This one's wild. Leaks suggest that the Osmo Action 6 will feature smartwatch integration, possibly syncing with Apple Watch and Garmin devices. Picture this. You're mountain biking down a trail in Utah. The camera's mounted on your helmet. You tap your wrist, boom, recording starts instantly. Your watch overlays live stats like speed, elevation, and heart rate straight onto your footage. That's not just convenience, that's storytelling. It transforms your ride data into cinematic context. DJI isn't just making a camera, they're building a connected ecosystem designed for creators on the move. Rocksteady 4.0 plus AI Horizon Steady. Beyond stabilization, DJI's legendary stabilization is already industry-leading. But with Rocksteady 4.0 and AI-enhanced Horizon Steady, things are about to get unreal. Imagine AI that understands motion, detecting spin, tilt, and roll in real time, keeping your footage perfectly level even during flips or barrel rolls. No gimbal, no crop, no loss of frame width, just smooth, cinematic shots no matter what chaos is happening around you. For adrenaline junkies, vloggers, and travelers, this could be the difference between a shaky clip and a masterpiece. Battery power and performance. Built for endurance, let's talk endurance because creators hate downtime. Insiders claim DJI has developed a new high-density battery capable of recording over 3 hours in 4K thanks to a smarter cooling system and a custom imaging chip. And get this, 64 GB of internal storage built in. No more SD card error during the perfect shot. You'll always have backup space. DJI clearly understands that reliability is king, and this time, they're delivering both power and peace of mind. Smarter connectivity and pro-level audio, the Osmo Action, isn't just about visuals. It's about connection. Expect Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, and direct live streaming to YouTube, Twitch, or TikTok without even needing your phone. Creators will also love the rumored multi-mic array support, including DJI's own wireless mic ecosystem. That means your sound will finally match your visuals. Crisp, directional, and studio grade even in tough environments. Voice control, auto sync with your phone, and smart sharing features make this camera a social media powerhouse. Design and durability. Tougher, smarter, sleeker design leaks show a rugged yet refined body, thinner and lighter than the Osmo Action 5 Pro. We're talking waterproof up to 20 meters without a case, and built from a new liquid metal chassis for better heat dissipation. The signature dual-screen design is back, but brighter, sharper, and now HDR Plus certified, so you can see your shot even under harsh sunlight. DJI seems to be blending form and function in a way that feels deliberate, thoughtful, and creator-focused. AI powerhouse, SceneSense and DJI imaging processor, V2. Here's where things get truly futuristic. Inside the Osmo Action 6 lives DJI's new imaging processor, V2, built from the ground up for AI. This chip doesn't just handle stabilization and color, it thinks. It recognizes environments in real time, whether you're underwater, on snowy slopes, or filming neon-lit cityscapes. SceneSense mode will auto-optimize exposure, white balance, and sharpness to match. Think of it as having a virtual camera crew that knows exactly what you're shooting and adjusts everything for cinematic perfection. The Battle of Titans, GoPro versus Insta360 versus DJI. Now let's talk competition. GoPro's hero. 13 Black is a beast, and Insta360's Ace Pro is no slouch either. Both bring top-tier HDR, AI reframing, and strong battery life. But if DJI delivers on the 1-inch sensor, 8K recording, smartwatch control, and AI smarts, it could easily leapfrog both. This isn't just about beating GoPro. It's about redefining the action camera category entirely. DJI doesn't just want a piece of the market. They want to own the narrative of mobile cinematography. Price and release window. Surprisingly accessible. According to early reports, the Osmo Action 6 could land between $499 and $540, just above the Action 5 Pro, but still undercutting GoPro's premium bundles. And here's the kicker. Sources like TechRAR and Loyalty Drones hint at an October 2025 launch, aligning with DJI's usual release calendar. So yeah, the countdown is officially on. Final thoughts. A new era for creators. GoPro may have the legacy. Insta360 may have the innovation. But DJI? DJI has the momentum. Every leak, every insider hint, and every patent tells one story. The Osmo Action 6 is shaping up to be the most advanced, creator-focused action camera ever made. Whether it launches this fall or early 2026, one thing's undeniable. This isn't just another gadget. It's the next evolution of storytelling. Because for DJI, this has never been about just recording action. It's about capturing emotion, motion, and magic, all in one frame. So when the Osmo Action 6 finally drops, remember this moment, because the way we film our adventures might never be the same again. According to early reports, the Osmo Action 6 could land between $499 and $540, just above the Action 5 Pro, but still undercutting GoPro's premium bundles.